In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timesheets in Xero. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get a new timesheet set up correctly. I'll also add a few tips along the way to help you avoid common mistakes. First, make sure you're logged in to your Xero account and that you have access to the payroll area. From your main Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Payroll. Go ahead and click on Payroll. This is where all your payroll-related tasks live, including timesheets, pay runs, and employee settings. Once you're in the payroll section, you'll see several options or tabs. Look for the one labeled Timesheets. Click on Timesheets to open the Timesheets area. This page shows you existing timesheets, and it's also where you'll create new ones. If you manage a team, this is a useful place to quickly see who has submitted time and who might still be missing entries. Now that you're in the timesheet screen, look for a button that says Add Timesheet or has a plus sign next to it. This is usually located near the top of the page. Click on the plus Add Timesheet button. This will open a new timesheet form for you to fill in. Next, you'll need to choose who this timesheet is for. You'll see a field or drop-down labeled Employee. Click on that field and select the correct employee from the list. Take a moment to double check that you've picked the right person because the timesheet you're about to create will be linked to their payroll. If you have a long list of employees, you can usually start typing the employee's name to find them faster. At this stage, depending on your Xero setup, you may see options to select a date range or pay period and to enter hours worked for each day. Make sure the dates line up with the correct pay period before you move on. Enter or review the details as needed. Once everything looks correct, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top right of the timesheet screen. Click on Save. This stores the timesheet in Xero so it can be used later when you process payroll, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a timesheet in Xero.